If you're a senior hunting for a car that's comfortable, reliable, and won't touch your savings, stay with me. Because today I'm counting down 5 unstoppable Buicks you can grab for under $4,500. These aren't rundown clunkers. They're smooth-riding, low-maintenance workhorses seniors swear by. Number 1 on this list might completely change how you shop for your next car. Let's get started. Number 5. 2006 Buick Lucerne. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the 2006 Buick Lucerne, and honestly, this car might be the most underrated senior-friendly sedan of the entire 2000s. Buick designed the Lucerne to replace 2 legendary nameplates, the LeSabre and the Park Avenue, and they didn't cut corners. What you get is a full-size American sedan built specifically with comfort, quiet, and ease of driving in mind. Let's talk about that ride quality first, because it's the reason so many seniors gravitate toward this car. The Lucerne rides on a soft, cushioned suspension that soaks up potholes and rough pavement like they're not even there. If you've got back pain, joint issues, or just want a smoother commute, this car delivers a genuinely plush experience that newer economy cars simply can't match. Now here's something you need to know before we move on. The 2006 Lucerne came with 2 engine options, a 3.8-liter V6 or a 4.6-liter Northstar V8. For under $4,500, you'll typically find the V6 version, and that's actually the smarter buy. It's more affordable to maintain, sips less gas, and still delivers plenty of smooth, effortless power for daily driving. Inside, the cabin feels like a living room on wheels. Bench-style front seating, easy-to-read gauges, big buttons, and simple climate controls make this car incredibly senior-friendly. No confusing touchscreens, no tiny buttons you need reading glasses to find. Just simple, straightforward controls that work. Safety-wise, the Lucerne came equipped with stability control, anti-lock brakes, and dual-stage airbags, which was impressive for a car in this price range. And because so many were built, parts are cheap and mechanics everywhere know this car inside and out. Finding one under $4,500 today usually means looking at higher mileage examples, somewhere between 120,000 and 160,000 miles. But GM's 3.8-liter V6 is famous for reliability, often running well past 200,000 miles with basic maintenance. Look for a clean title, service records, and no major rust, and you'll have a comfortable cruiser for years to come. But the next Buick on our list takes comfort and reliability even further, and it might just be the perfect senior SUV. Let's talk about it next. Number 4. 2007 Buick Rainier. Coming in at number 4 is a car that surprises a lot of people once they learn about it, the 2007 Buick Rainier. This is Buick's answer to the midsize SUV craze, and it's built on the same solid platform as the Chevy Trailblazer, which means rugged, truck-based dependability wrapped in a much more refined, senior-friendly package. Why does this matter for seniors specifically? Higher ride height. The Rainier sits taller than a sedan, which makes getting in and out significantly easier on the knees and hips. No more struggling to lower yourself into a low seat or straining to climb out. You simply step in and step out, and that alone makes this SUV worth considering. Under the hood, most 2007 Rainiers came with a 4.2-liter inline-6 engine, and this thing is a workhorse. It's the same basic engine architecture used in heavy-duty trucks, known for lasting well beyond 200,000 miles with routine oil changes. Some higher trims even offered a 5.3-liter V8 for those who wanted extra towing capability or highway passing power. Inside, the Rainier doesn't skimp on comfort either. You get heated leather seats in higher trims, a smooth automatic transmission, and a surprisingly quiet cabin for an SUV of this era. Buick specifically engineered extra sound-deadening material into this vehicle, so road noise and wind noise stay noticeably lower than competing SUVs. Cargo space is another major win here. With the rear seats folded, you get a spacious trunk area perfect for groceries, golf clubs, luggage, or hauling items for grandkids' visits. It's versatile in a way that a traditional sedan simply can't match. Now, here's the catch you need to know. Because these SUVs are less common on the used market, finding one under $4,500 requires patience. You're typically looking at examples with 130,000 to 170,000 miles. Check the transmission fluid condition and look for any oil leaks around the valve cover gaskets, a common minor issue on these engines. Do your homework, and you'll end up with a rugged, comfortable, easy-to-enter SUV that handles winter weather, road trips, and daily errands with equal confidence. But our next pick brings something totally different to this list, a car built purely around effortless luxury. You won't want to miss what's coming up next. Number 3. 2008 Buick LaCrosse. At number 3, we've got the 2008 Buick LaCrosse, and this is where things start getting really interesting. If the Lucerne felt like a living room, the LaCrosse feels like a slightly sportier, more modern living room, without sacrificing any of that classic Buick comfort seniors love so much. The 2008 model year is a sweet spot for this car because it's the final year of the first-generation LaCrosse before Buick redesigned it completely. That means you're getting a mature, well-sorted vehicle with all the early bugs worked out, but still at a price point that fits comfortably under our $4,500 budget. Let's talk engines. The base 2008 LaCrosse came with a 3.8-liter V6 producing smooth, dependable power, while the CXS trim offered a 3.6-liter V6 with a bit more punch. Either option delivers that signature effortless Buick acceleration, quiet at low speeds, confident on the highway, and never harsh or jarring, which matters enormously if comfort is your top priority. Handling-wise, the LaCrosse strikes a nice middle ground. It's not a sports sedan, and it was never meant to be, but it corners with more composure than the older Lucerne, while still keeping that soft, forgiving ride quality. For seniors who occasionally navigate winding roads or highway merges, this extra stability adds real confidence behind the wheel. Inside, you'll find plush cloth or optional leather seating, large analog gauges that are easy to read at a glance, and simple stock controls for wipers and lights. Buick kept the LaCrosse's interior intuitive, which is a huge plus if you're not interested in wrestling with overly complicated technology just to turn on your headlights. Reliability is another strong point. The 3800 series V6 engine used in the base LaCrosse is one of GM's most bulletproof engines ever produced, with countless examples surpassing 200,000 and even 250,000 miles when properly maintained. Oil changes every 5,000 miles and basic tune-ups are really all this engine asks for. On the used market, 2008 LaCrosse models with 130,000 to 170,000 miles regularly sell for $3,500 to $4,500, making this one of the best value picks on our entire list. Watch for worn intake manifold gaskets, a known minor issue, and always ask for maintenance records before buying. Now, the next Buick on this list steps things up with genuine three-row seating and a driving experience that feels shockingly close to a luxury import. Stick around, because number 2 might surprise you. Number 2. 2010 Buick Enclave. At number 2, we've arrived at what many consider the crown jewel of budget-friendly Buicks, the 2010 Buick Enclave. If you need three-row seating, serious cargo space, or you're helping with grandkids and family road trips, this is the SUV built for exactly that job, and finding one under $4,500 feels almost too good to be true. The Enclave launched in 2008 to rave reviews, and by 2010, Buick had refined it into a genuinely premium-feeling crossover SUV. It shares its underlying platform with the Chevy Traverse and GMC Acadia, but Buick dialed up the sound insulation, softened the suspension, and added extra chrome and leather touches to make the Enclave feel noticeably more upscale than its corporate cousins. Powering the 2010 Enclave is a 3.6-liter V6 producing around 288 horsepower, paired with a smooth 6-speed automatic transmission. This engine delivers confident highway passing power, effortless merging, and enough towing capacity to handle a small trailer if you ever need one, all while maintaining that signature Buick quietness inside the cabin. Speaking of the cabin, this is where the Enclave truly shines. 3 rows of seating comfortably fit 6 to 7 passengers, The second row often features captain's chairs with easy walk-through access, and higher trims include heated leather seats, a power liftgate, and a premium Bose sound system. For seniors who host family gatherings or make regular grandkid pickup runs, this interior flexibility is a genuine game changer. Visibility is another major advantage. The Enclave sits at a comfortable ride height with large windows and a commanding view of the road, which many seniors find far less stressful than driving a low-slung sedan in heavy traffic or crowded parking lots. Now here's the honest truth about finding one under $4,500. You're looking at higher mileage examples, typically 150,000 to 180,000 miles, since the Enclave holds its value better than most vehicles on this list. Check for timing chain wear and confirm the transmission shifts smoothly during your test drive. When properly maintained, these 3.6-liter engines can comfortably exceed 200,000 miles. If you find a clean, well-documented Enclave in this price range, you're getting thousands of dollars in luxury features and family-friendly practicality for pocket change. But nothing on this list compares to what's coming up at number 1. This final Buick combines everything seniors want: comfort, reliability, and effortless driving into one nearly perfect package. Let's reveal it right now. Number 1. 2011 Buick Regal. And here it is, number 1 on our list, the 2011 Buick Regal. This is the car that completely redefined what people expected from Buick, and it's the reason so many seniors are actively searching for one today, even on a tight budget. The 2011 Regal marked a massive turning point for the brand. Instead of building another soft, floaty sedan, Buick partnered with its German engineering team at Opel to create something genuinely modern, tight, and confident on the road, while still keeping the smoothness and quiet cabin seniors expect from this brand. Under the hood sits a turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, producing around 182 horsepower. Now, don't let the smaller engine size fool you. Thanks to turbocharging, this Regal delivers surprisingly strong acceleration, confident highway merging, and noticeably better fuel economy than the larger V6 Buicks on this list, which matters if you're driving regularly on a fixed income. Handling is where the Regal truly separates itself. European-tuned suspension components give this sedan a planted, stable feel through curves and highway lane changes, while still absorbing bumps and rough pavement with that classic Buick softness. It's genuinely the best balanced car on our entire list. Inside, the 2011 Regal offers a surprisingly upscale cabin, with soft-touch materials, supportive seating, and a driver-focused dashboard layout. Higher trims include heated leather seats, dual-zone automatic climate control, and a straightforward infotainment system that avoids the overly complicated touchscreens found in many newer vehicles. Safety technology is another standout feature. The 2011 Regal came standard with stability control, traction control, and a full suite of airbags, plus available features like rear parking sensors, which make tight parking lots far less stressful. Reliability-wise, this generation of Regal has proven itself well over the past decade. With regular oil changes and attention to the turbocharger's health, these four-cylinder engines regularly surpass 150,000 to 180,000 miles without major issues. On the used market, expect to find 2011 Regals with 120,000 to 160,000 miles comfortably within our $4,500 budget. Always check for a clean turbocharger service history and confirm smooth shifting from the 6-speed automatic transmission during your test drive. If you want one car that blends fuel efficiency, confident handling, comfort, and modern safety features, all at a price that barely dents your budget, the 2011 Buick Regal is genuinely unbeatable, and it fully earns its spot as our number 1 pick today. And there you have it, 5 unstoppable Buicks under $4,500. Which one caught your attention most? Let me know in the comments, and subscribe for more budget car picks every week.